What is up, YouTube? This is Zach and Kellen with Dream Media Home Theater. We have a very nice video for you today.
Another big box from Vicoustics.
Yeah, so Kellen, take it away.
Yeah, so can't wait to get this one opened up. I think this is the best looking panel that they make, in my opinion. This is the Multifuser DC2, of course, in the black finish. But this is just going to be a quick unboxing of this diffusion panel, and we're going to get right into it after the intro.
Welcome back, guys. So as Kellen is unboxing this multi-diffuser, I just want to let you guys know that we ship throughout the entire nation, guys, and we would love the opportunity to a free consultation service with you. We FaceTime, we Zoom, we do everything 2021 here at Dream Media. So we'll walk through your space and we'll tailor an exact package to fit your needs as well as the budget. So we have small, medium, and large room packages that Vicoustic built for our customers, which was very nice of them because it just makes it easy to where you can just pick, like, you'll see whenever you call in, guys, like we have different color options ready. We have different packages that have the diffusion, the absorption, the bass traps, everything like that. And not only for home theater, but also for music rooms or offices or anything like that. But acoustics are very important. Here it is. You guys have seen this in people's homes in the past, and I got a lot of clients that have already purchased, and we're going to be doing videos on them. But acoustics are extremely important. I mean, just whenever we started this series off, we're at Kellen's house. This is his new theater here. We got the Focal Utopias, the JVCRs 3000, the Stewart screen, all the best. Well, we don't want to install nice speakers and not have quality audio, natural audio in the room, because it's not going to do these speakers justice. So whenever we did that intro, we were standing out in that space where he shot the ultra short throw videos, and the acoustics are just terrible. And every single panel we bring into this room, we can already hear it getting better and better. So Kellen, come in here, give them the science behind this bad boy, and we'll also show some of the other panels here in just a minute if you guys haven't seen the other videos already.
Yeah, thanks, Zach. So this is the multi-diffuser from Vicoustics in black. This is strictly a diffusion panel. If you've followed along with our unboxing with Vicoustics, we have unboxed the Wavewood hybrid diffuser. So this acts as some absorption as well as diffusion. And then we also have these things are here.
Yeah, here.
We also have the premium cinema round absorption panels in black as well. So getting back to the diffuser, this is going to help scatter sounds throughout the space. So if you're wanting to liven up the backstage there in the back of the theater room or a 2-channel listening area, this is
it's literally just scattering the audio, right?
Yep.
Whereas this is more so reflecting the audio, but also absorbing it a little bit, because there's different depths here, guys.
Yep. And then this one is literally just absorption. Sound is going to just seep into this. So.
And it's important that we show all these different options to you guys, because every single time I talk to customers about acoustics, they think absorption.
Right.
And like most guys that DIY it, the room is full of absorption panels. And you come in and the space is just dead, which is better than an echo, but
right.
you want a live room. You want to bring these speakers to life and really maximize the potential of them. So with the combination of all these products, we're doing it right.
Right. And you know, a lot of customers, they call and they say, you know, hey, I've had my equipment for years. What's a good way to update everything? I'm like, well, you know, what are you unhappy with? It's like, well, to be honest with you, I really like my speakers.
Yep.
Okay, so
yep.
What's wrong?
I can't hear them.
Exactly.
I can't hear the high frequency.
I can't hear dialogue in movies. So this
biggest complaint.
Right. If you already have a system, this is, in my opinion, the #1 way to make your system sound better, just hands down. So,
and you don't even have to replace anything.
Right. This is technology
These
that
glue
just won't get
right
outdated.
to the wall or Velcro. Let me get one of the tubes.
So yeah, whenever you order a package from us or any panels from Vicoustics from us, we'll make sure you get everything you need. But this is the proprietary adhesive that Vicoustics likes to use when hanging these panels. So it's an all-in-one deal. You can either get these by piece, any of the panels, or you can get them as an entire package.
Perfect. Well said, Kellen. Well, guys, we got you covered here at Dream Media. We want to make sure we maximize the experience, and we want you to have your dream home theater. Not only do these things look beautiful, but the performance is there. There is science behind this, and you're going to hear it.
Right.
We're going to fire this room up just here, well, probably in a couple hours after we get all these acoustics on the wall, but we're going to fire this bad boy up, and it's going to sound fantastic. I am drooling over these utopias. It's going to be a fun series. So if you guys aren't subscribed already, smash that subscribe button down below and give us a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to purchase, reach out and show your support. We ship throughout the entire nation. All right, guys, so that's all we got for you. That's it for today.
Thanks.
This is Zach and Kellen. Thanks for watching, guys.